Exams can be overwhelming, but you're not alone. This video is for every student dealing with exam stress and anxiety, offering practical tips to help you thrive. Exam stress and anxiety are common experiences, especially in a competitive academic environment. It's that feeling of intense pressure before or during tests. Many students feel immense pressure to perform exceptionally well, driven by high expectations and the desire for future success. This can lead to significant stress. However, managing this stress isn't just about feeling better. It's crucial for your actual performance. A calm mind can think clearly and recall information effectively. Let's explore why exam stress occurs. Understanding the root causes is the first step towards overcoming it. A major factor is the intense academic competition and the high expectations placed on students. Everyone strives for top scores, leading to pressure. There's also significant pressure linked to future success. Gaining admission to desired courses or securing good job prospects often feels dependent on exam results. Now let's dive into practical strategies you can use to manage this stress effectively. Effective time management and a solid study plan can significantly reduce anxiety. Break down your syllabus, set realistic goals, and stick to a schedule. Prioritizing your well-being is non-negotiable. Ensure you get adequate sleep, maintain a nutritious diet, and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques, like deep breathing or meditation, can calm your mind. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Beyond techniques, shifting your mindset can be incredibly powerful in dealing with exam stress. Focus on the effort you put in, rather than solely on the outcome. Your hard work and learning process are what truly matter. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Every error teaches you something new and builds resilience, making you stronger for future challenges. Don't hesitate to seek support. Talk to peers who understand or mentors who can offer guidance. Sharing your feelings can lighten the burden. Remember, conquering exam stress and anxiety is a journey, not a destination. It's about building healthy habits and a resilient mindset. You have the power to take control of your well-being. Implement these strategies, and you'll not only perform better, but also feel better. We wish you all the very best in your exams. Stay calm, stay focused, and go achieve your dreams.